Welcome back, and it's another episode of EJ Show, English to English Show, and it's about day 17, 1 7, 17 of EJ Show, and you all guys are be safe, I think so, and I am also being safe in my home. And let's start our first segment, that is vocabulary bank. And for for the rest of some days or next some more episodes, I am looking forward to review the words or vocabulary that have been earlier we have been taught to. And I will because I can't use in my daily conversations as I have learned it, but I can't use it or I can't remember the word in the situation. So I just want to uh, make that vocabulary normalized in my life. So the main purpose is that, and I'm looking forward to uh, regularize that vocabulary in my daily life, so that's a way I can use it in my conversations. So I'm looking forward to that, and I am just reviewing the words that we have been already been taught. And we are just looking some words, which is the six words. And first word is, and just looking the flashcard. So you all give me the permission, so then only I can present it in a better way. And the first word is epoch, a long period of time, epoch. And ephemeral, lasting for a very short period of time. And the next one is oblivion, state of being unaware of what is happening around you. And the next word is Cinderella, a tiny amount of something. The next word is clinomania, intense desire to stay in bed. The next one is eloquence, speech having persuasive quality. And that's it. And we are winding up the first segment, and then we are moving to the next segment, that is open fire. And today we are discussing in open fire is something which is subject which is related to what I think you see the location has been changed, which is you for the past videos you seen that some open area that I used to get background as. So today it's been changed, right? So you can see it's been raining outside the home, so I can't I can't cancel the video, or I don't want to skip any of the episode for the future basis. I give that much importance to making this much video on daily basis. So I don't want to skip any of the episodes, and that's the main reason why I am taking this video. And you all guys are the main motivators in my life that give that uh, inspirations to take this much video. So I have get that much confidence day after day only by presenting the content in with content to all you guys. And that's the only way that I can make how to present myself to a external world. And I'm looking forward to get the best out of myself, and you also will benefit from it, because you know that each and every moment, right? And yesterday I am uh, approaching with this same topic, right? So I don't want to annoy you all guys because of the repetition of the same topic. So I am just the phrase has been already been come on my tongue. That's why I use that, and don't want to complete that phrase because of the boreness or clumsiness of the content, and which makes you all guys tired or exhausted during the section. So this segment is about what what I want to talk or want to discuss today with you all guys is that something that I have approached, or I have I do watch a video from the YouTube at the noon section, today noon section. So from there I got something which is a new information that don't it's something about the fluency in English can be improved. How we can improve that much fluency in English, and it's about not too obsessive about the fluency or vocabulary that we have. So if you have any vocabulary limitations or any limit on the vocabulary that you have or you want to use is that much limited, don't blame yourself to any of such things, that we can't control that much, because it's a natural process and it will continuously happen in your daily life. You can see the miraculous effect in day after day, and the only thing that you can do is don't stop until you get that position. And we can't sure that it can be reached within 2 weeks or within 1 month or 1 year or 6 months, etc., etc. We can't judge on that. It's everyone has something special potential on within them, and we want to find out that potential and how we can catch the way of fluency in each language can help them out to improve that much day after day. And every person is unique, and we can't get the same result from everyone at the same time. So don't misjudge any of your thoughts with regard to fluency or vocabulary, anything regarding to a language. It's just a language, so you don't want to make any bad impression regarding that language, because it's nothing but you prepare your brain to cope up with a new language. So it take time, and you must be patient for the time that you have been spent on that language, and you can earn that much confidence in that language only after some time. And you just want to make sure that you make so much time or that much time on daily basis to acquire that much knowledge in that language. That's the only way you can improve day after day, and you will improve. That's a definite thing, and you can always will be a inspired guy for uh, another native who lives around you. And you are, earlier said that, right? You are a unique piece, and you are the only one in this universe, and you can take any substitute for any of you all guys. And I am a unique, and you all guys are a unique person. So don't misjudge any of your thoughts with regard to your language or your professional career, anything. If you spend that much time in anything, you will get that much success from that. Not uh, not we can see that any success that Einstein or that much, or what thought uh, created or initiated in your brain or your mind will lead you to the betterment of happiness in your mind. Because you see that uh, only one Einstein in the universe has been produced, right? And another scientist, so many scientists are there as well, but there is one Einstein, right? So you all guys are a unique person, and it will take time. And don't mention any of the, or don't misunderstand, or don't want to, the only thing that you want to make sure is that don't stop. It is a continuous process, and if you don't see the a physical change or a tangible change within you after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, don't stop. Because you think it will be a useless thing that spending on acquiring that much knowledge in a language, but it's not like that, and you will get that much knowledge, or it will be a hidden or implied thing, and it will surely will affect you in some situation, and don't stop any of the path. So move forward, and you surely will overcome your barriers, and that is what. And you are such a unique person. Okay, and we are concluding today's episode, EJ show, day 17 of EJ show, English show, and here Jidin winding up. Bye bye, signing up, bye.